Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to connect Chatgpt to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First Step. Now, search for Chatgpt, then click on Open AI. You'll see different actions available. Click on Message and Model. After that, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credential. Here, enter your OpenAI API key and organization ID. You'll also see a field for the base URL. Now, open a new tab, go to the ChatGPT's official site, and copy its link address. Go back to N8N and paste that into the base URL field, then click on Save. Now, choose the operation you want, like messaging the model, classifying text for violations, or making a custom API call. Then, select the model either from the list or by entering the ID. Type in the name of the model you want to use, like ChatGPT. Next, enter the prompt as either a fixed message or using an expression. Choose the role for the prompt, such as a user, assistant, or system. Finally, you can turn on the toggle to simplify the output or choose to get the output content in JSON format. Once done, go back and check if everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.